share my screen. Okay, guys. So yesterday we have seen this nested if, right? So there are so many ifs and brackets. It's looking complicated to understand and write the query, right? So switch is introduced in Power BI to solve this problem. So let us see switch how to use the switch. Okay. First I will take a table, age table. This is age 15, 18, 23, 24, 45, 57, 56, 28, 57, 92. Okay, this is my table, age table. Okay, load this table. Then go to this data view, go to table. This is my age column. Okay, now I'll write a new column using the switch. Okay, so it's a column using the switch. So how switch works? Let's see. If you type switch, let's see the intelligence. What is this taking? First, we have to write the expression, then value, then result. Okay. So expression is age here. Okay. I am taking the age. This is my expression. Okay. What value it is? For example, let's say the value is 18. Okay. Then what result I want? I want to print age is 18 years. Okay. This is my output. Okay. Like that, you can write several statements. Okay. This is one statement. And second statement also you can write. So what is the value right now? I will take 45. Okay. Then result what I will write, age is 45. Okay. It is 45 years. Okay. So finally else condition. Like that you can write the third statement also. You can write n number of statements, whatever you want. Okay. Finally you can write the else statement. Else statement what I will write. If age is 18, 18 years. If age is 45, age is 45 years. Else, what we have to write? Age is not 18 or 45 years. Right, guys? This is else condition. Okay. Let us see the output. Okay, guys. So wherever age is 18, it is saying age is 18 years. Okay. Let me open my tool. Okay. So wherever age is 18, it is 18 years. Age is 45 years. 45, then it is age is 45 years. Remaining all age is not 18. Age is not 45 years. Okay, guys. So like this switch will work. Okay. In switch, first we'll give the expression, then value. What is the value to that expression? Expression equal to this value, then this result. Expression equal to this value, then this result. Expression equal to not equal to this and this. This is the else condition. Okay, guys. Understood? Okay. So this format is only basic switch. Okay. This is basic switch. In basic switch, what we'll write? We'll write expression, value, and result. So that means expression equal to value. That is taken default. Expression equal to value. So age equal to 18, age equal to 45. By default, it will take in the switch statement. Okay. Let us see the switch true now. Same statement. I will use the switch true. Okay. So all of you seen my video yesterday, YouTube video.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. So switch true I am using now. So in switch true, this is the statement. Then we'll give the conditions. Okay. What conditions is this? Age. Here we'll write, we have to give the logical condition in switch true. When this logical condition true means when it becomes true, then the statement will execute it. Age is 18 years. Okay, guys. Second statement, variable age equal to 45, then age is 45 years, right? Okay. Finally, age is not 18 or 45 years. Okay. So what is the difference between switch basic and switch true? In switch true, we'll give the conditions like equal, greater than, less than. Whenever this expression is true, then this will execute. Okay, guys? That is the difference between switch and switch true. Okay. So this first column I populated with basic switch, and second column same logic, same requirement I am doing with switch true, where I am using equals. Okay. Let us see the output. So we'll get the same output. Okay, guys. Understood?
Once more.
Yeah. So next we'll go to the switch true we'll use and we'll solve this nested if problem. Yesterday we have struggled to understand this, right? With so many brackets, so many ifs. So let us see how that problem is solved in the using switch true. Okay. Go to the new column, paste it. Okay. Then I'll remove all ifs and I'll put switch true. Switch true, right, guys? Switch true. Then remove all ifs conditions. Only expressions I'll keep. Okay. Okay. Finally, else condition I will give age is less than 18. I will give. Okay, guys. This is final else condition. Okay. Remaining brackets you can remove. So compared to nested ifs, see how this simple, right? It is very clear and very understandable, right? So this is the first expression. If this expression is true, just I want to print this. Otherwise, this expression is true, I want to print this. If this is the truth, then this one. Finally, else condition. If above all these are not met, then it will go to less than or equal to 18. Okay, guys. Let us see the output. Right, you got the result. 10 means less than 18, 15 less than 18. So these things you have to practice, guys. Switch, basic switch. I told here using the basic switch, right? And here same requirement I used with the switch true. And here yesterday example age group I told with the switch true. Okay. Basic switch. If you see basic switch, this is the format. Automatically it will take it as a equal to. Okay. So this is a basic switch format. And this is the same requirement with the basics, not basic, it's a switch true. And this is yesterday's example with switch true. Okay. Okay, guys. So these things you have to practice, then you will come to know. Any questions? Understood, right?
But in this example, we use AND function also, right?
Which one?
in this example, we used AND function.
Time function, where we are
And
not used that.
AND function.
Yeah, and we are used. So we are combining age equal to 17,
Hmm.
greater than 17, and age is less than 18,
Okay.
comma, and we are used. Yeah. So this is the logical expression. That time we'll use the switch true we have to use. Basic switch won't work because whenever you are giving less than, greater than, equal symbols, then you must use the switch true. Then it will evaluate that expression and it will give the result. When this expression is true, it will give the result. Okay.
Okay.
So I have a real-time project example here. Okay. One guy asked me to solve this problem. Okay, I was giving the work support. So he is having this requirement. Okay, he is having one table where login logout times of employees are there, guys. Okay, so login logout times are there. So he has to populate the shift EST or PST. Okay, based on the timings, login out, login time, and logout time. He has to see this logic. Employee who logout time is after 3 a.m. then consider as PST. Employee who login time is before 5:30 a.m. then consider it EST. Employee who logout time is before 3 o'clock then consider as EST. Okay, guys. So this data I will give it to you. You have to use the switch statement and populate the shift. This shift you have to populate. Okay. This data is given to you. Okay, guys. This is the real-time project, real-time task, so that you can see how the practical, once you learn the Power BI, how you have to solve the problems using the what you learned in the class. So today you learned the switch, right? So using the switch, you populate the shift based on login and logout times. So I will send this data to you. Try to do this and let me know tomorrow. It's easy, very easy. Only 3 steps. Only 3 steps, right? Here age, for age group, we have written so many statements. Okay. This is not even that complicated. There's only 3 statements you have to write. Okay. Try to solve it and let me know tomorrow. I'll send the data. Okay, guys. Right.
Okay.
Yeah. Next, we'll go to the tax date and time functions. This is also very interesting. Till here, we'll cover today. Okay. For that, what we'll do is go to here and first we'll populate the calendar auto. Okay, calendar auto column means, for example, here, if you see, go to orders, then we have order date, right? So we have a command called calendar auto. What it will take the first date of the column and last date of the column, and it will give the date column. That is the result of calendar auto column. Okay. So let us see that new table. First time you are using the new tables in the tax. So new table is, okay, table 2, then calendar auto. We'll use the calendar auto. Okay. Then it will give me the date column. Okay. From January 2000, our data starts from 2014. Okay. 2014 to 2021 or 2018. Okay. That's why it is taken from 2014 January to 2018 December. Okay, guys. That is the command of calendar auto. Okay. Using this command, here we populate all these date functions one by one. Year, quarter, all these are there, right? First, I created a dimension table, date column. Okay. Then I will use all these things. Okay. For that, what we have to do, we have to use add columns function. Okay. Then I'll add each and every step here. Okay. What is the first one, guys? First one is year. Okay. So year is my column name and command is year. Learning the command year and date we have to give. This is the date, whatever we populated. Okay. See the output. Then it will extract the year from the date. Okay. In Power Query, you have seen all these things, right? Guys, in Power Query, you have learned, right? How to extract year, month, date, day, week number, week name, and all. So all those
Yes.
things here we learn we using the DAX. Okay, there you use the Power Query. Here we'll use the DAX. Okay. Here next, what is next? Next is quarter. I'll put QTR. Okay, guys, quarter. Date. Okay. See the output. So this is quarter. So July means third quarter. Okay. And if you go to here, one means February. February means first quarter. Okay. Like that, you will get the quarter. Okay. What is next, guys? Month. Month. Okay. Let's say month. Name of the column is month. Then what is the command we have to use? Month. Right. Date. Okay, this is month. So 7, it is extracted here. 8, it is extracted. 9, like that it is giving the month. Okay. If you want to get the month name, then you have to use a format command. Okay. Month name equal to format. Okay. Take the date. What format you will give? 3 letters I am giving. M. Okay. So that it will format and it will give the output. Okay, guys. Let us see the output. Then it will give the month name. Okay. Next we'll go to next command, that is day. Okay, what is the day? Day is the day of the month, day of the date. Okay, it will extract the day, date, right? Okay, so it will extract the day and it will give as a new column. Okay, guys, understood? Following or not? You're following, right?
Follow.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. What is next, guys? Weekday. Let us see the weekday. Weekday equal to weekday. Okay. Of date. Right. So what it will give? Weekday means Saturday to Sunday. Okay. So it is giving. It is taken the weekdays, 7 days. It is distributed from 1 to 6, 1 to 7. Okay. Right, guys? But you don't know what is the 6 means, what is the 7 means, right? For that, you can write the day name also command. Let us see the day name. Okay. You don't know what 6 stands for, what 5 stands for, what 7 stands for, what 1 stands for, right? So day name will write again, format will go. Okay. Take the date. Right, guys? Then I am using DDD, means it will give the day name. Whether Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like that, it will give the day names. Okay, guys, 6 means Friday, 7 means Saturday. That means 1 to 7. Sunday to Saturday it will take 1, 2, 3, 4. See here, you can see 3 yearly. Sunday to Saturday, right? So whenever you are using the weekday, you don't know what is the number stands for, then you can go for format and put DDD for dates, MMM for months. Okay, these are standard commands. Okay, then you will get the output. Okay, guys. Next command is date, right? Let's see the date. Date I'm giving. So what is the input for date? Let us see the time intelligence. Year, month, day. So we have to supply three things: year, month, day. So I am giving our Independence Day 1947, and month is August, and day is 15th. So I am giving the Independence Day. Let's see how it populates. Add columns cannot add date as a since already exists. Okay, already we have to give the different name because date is here, no, right? Right, guys? So it is asking same name is there. That's why it won't add. It is saying let us give the day to. Now it will take the output. Okay, guys. So whenever you are giving the date function, observe that it will start at the midnight, all zeros. Okay. With the date and time it will give. Date function will give the time also, but it starts at the midnight. Okay. Next, what is the next, guys?
Today.
Date is over today.
Today.
Today. Yeah. Today. Today means it will give the today's date, right? Today is nothing but today's date it will give. Today. Let us see the output. Yeah, today's time it will give. December 7th, right? Today's and time is we are not asked any time. That's why it will take the midnight. It started the midnight. Okay. The next is now. Now means at this instant. What is the time that it will give? Okay. Let's see now. Is the now. Okay. See the output. Now means date and time. See if you see our computer date time 8:24 a.m. That's why 8:24 with the seconds also it is calculating. Okay, guys. So if I refresh this, again it will refresh this time because time is changing, right? Every second. Then it will refresh this time also. For example, if I add the next column, this time will go off and different time will come because it is changing. Okay. Now is over. Next we'll go to time functions, hour, minute, second, and time. Let's say the hour. Hour. Okay. Using hour and date time. I am using the now. Okay. I want to take the now this time, and I want to extract the hour from that time. Okay, guys. Then what happens? Let's see the output. See, this now has changed now. Time 8:26 has come, right? So from here, I'm extracting the hour. That is 8. Okay. Okay, guys. Like that, you can extract the hour from the time. So here in the bracket, you have to give the supply the time. So here I am supplying the now. Now means is the time format, right? Date and time format. So from there, it will take the hour. Okay. Then minute also similar expression for minute. Let's take minute. Okay, guys. Minute and now. Right. Let's see the output. So it is extracted minute from here. Okay. Similarly, what is there, guys? Next, second. Second also same thing. No change. Second, I put sec. Then second. Okay. And I'm giving the now function to the second. Then let's see the output, guys. It is extracted second. So you are observing, right? Each time this now is changing because time is changing, right? So when I populated hour, this now, when I put the now, one value is there. When I populated hour, different value. Minute, second, different values because it is changing. Every time you populate, it will change. Okay, guys? That is now function. Okay. Then let's go to the time function. Click here, go to time. Time function. Let's see what are the inputs to the time function. Hour, minute, second. These things you have to give. Okay. Let's say I want some 6 hours, minute 45 minutes and seconds 56 seconds. Okay. Then you will get what date it will take. You will get doubt, right? Let us see what date it will take. Okay. It is taking 1899 December 30. That is the starting date of Power BI. The Power BI software he has put that date as a starting date. That's why it will take that date and it will give the time, whatever time we supplied. Okay, guys. That is the time function. Okay. Then we'll go to the date difference. Date difference, I hope you remembered in Power Query, right, guys? You remember, right? Power Query. We have taken two dates and we have seen the date difference, right, in Power Query. Same thing here in DAX. So date 1, date 2 and interval we have to supply. Okay. So I'm taking one date as a this date. Okay. And second date I will take as a today. Okay. Then I want difference in this many parameters are there for difference. You want difference in days or you want difference in hours. You want difference in years or you want difference in months. You have to select the parameter. So date difference, right now I am selecting the parameter year. Okay, I want the difference in years. Okay, let's see. So this is my date. This I am taking difference with today. So today is 2021, right? And here 2016. That's why we got the 5 year, right? So like that, it will calculate the date difference. Okay. For example, if you go bottom, let's see the different value. Yeah, here if you see 7, it is coming. Why 7 it is coming? Here 2014 is there. Here. Okay, our is today is 2021. So I am taking difference between this column and today in terms of year. That's why you get the 7 years. Okay, guys. What is next? Year fraction. Okay. Let's see the year fraction, guys. Now. Year fraction. Okay. So no need to worry about these commands. If you type just command, you will get the intelligence how to use. See, this is called intelligence. It is asking start date, end date. Okay. And it is start date. I am putting the date. Okay. And the end date I am putting the today. Okay. Then I want okay. So default it will take bases, no need to give default value it will take. So many bases are there. 0. This is US calendar. And if you go 1, this is actual versus actual. This is actual 360. This is actual 365. This is European. So we will go for actual 365, right, guys? Let us see. Our CC 365 format will use, right, in our years. Okay. Let us see year fractions. Yeah. So if you take this 2016 to 2021, this many years in fractions, 5.43 years. Okay. Exact years it will give in terms of fractions. That is called year fraction. Okay, guys. You are following, right? So it will take the difference of years, exact years it will give. I don't want round figure means you have to calculate exact years. Okay, in terms of fractions. Okay, here what happened? Put the comma here. Okay, come here. What is the next command, guys? Calendar auto. We have seen how it populate. Okay, then we'll go to EDATE. EDATE. Type the EDATE. Then will come intelligence will come. Okay, start date is date. Okay, and months I am taking 3 months. Okay, from 3 months, after 3 months, what is the date I am asking from the start date. Okay, let us see the output, guys. This is start date 2016 July 1st, right? After 3 months, what date we will get, guys? 2016 October 1st, right?
November.
2016 October 1st, after 3 months, right? This is our date, no?
Yes.
So I am asking the date, end of the date after 3 months. What is the date after 3 months? Then it is coming here as 2016 October 1st, right? Correctly it is giving, right? Understood? Okay. What is next, guys? End of month. Yeah, this is also very important function in DAX. End of month. End of month, right? Take EOMONTH. End of month. So what is asking? Starting date. So I will give the date and months. Okay. For example, 3 months I am giving. So what it will give? It will add 3 months to that date and it will take the end of month date. Earlier what happened? Exact date it has given. EDATE means exact date it will give. But in case of end of month, what it will take? It will calculate that date and it will go to the end of month date. Okay. So here October 1st has come. So what is the end of October? 31st October. Right, guys? So here EDATE means exact date after 3 months it will give. End of month date means it will calculate the exact date and it will go to the end of month date. That is 31st October. And in case of November, 30th November. Okay. That is end of month date. Okay, guys. What is next, guys? Date value. Okay, let's see the date value. Date value. No need to worry what I have to, how I can understand these things. Okay. Just type it and it will give the intelligence. See, date value it is asking, date test it is asking. Okay. I'm giving the again our Independence Day. Okay, guys. 08/15. Test I am supplied. Okay. Let us see the date it will convert or not. So it has converted to date. Okay. You have to, when you supply the date test, it will convert it to the date. Okay. That is date value. Okay, guys. What is the next week number of the month? Okay, last command today's. That is the week number of the month. Okay. Week number of the month. Okay. Let's see week number, date. So once you give this, what happens? It will give the week number. Okay. See 27th week. Okay. July means it will come in 27 week, right? Total how many weeks in a year?
52, 53.
52.
Yeah, correct. So this is July falls under 27th week. Okay. July 1st. July 1st falls under 27. If you take this 29, then July 10th falls under 29th week. Like that, it will calculate, guys. Okay. These date and time functions are very powerful and very useful in your day-to-day work. Okay. So I advise you that you have to practice the class whenever I am telling, the same day you practice. And whatever I am giving assignments, you do it. Then you will become perfect. Okay. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Okay. So calendar auto we have seen, right? Now we'll see the calendar command. Okay. Calendar auto means in sales, it will take the minimum date and maximum date. And from January, it will give minimum year and maximum year, right? And from January to December, it will take. Calendar auto means. So calendar means you can supply the dates. Okay. So let's see how calendar works. Let me close this. Okay. Then I will take a new table. New table. I'm explaining the calendar now. Earlier we have seen the calendar auto where it will take the minimum year and maximum year. January minimum year to December maximum year, it will take from the date column, right? For example, if I take the calendar, so it will ask the start date and end date. For example, I want start date as okay. Let us give 2021. Okay, this is December, right? December 1st. So only let me give the today's date, December 7th. Only 7 days I want calendar. So it will give the calendar for 7 days. Okay. You have to supply the dates. That's it. Okay. Let's see here. See, 7 days it will give. Okay. This is the difference between calendar and calendar auto. Calendar auto, what it has taken, guys? It has taken minimum year and maximum year, and minimum year January to maximum year December it has taken, right? And calendar means you have to supply the exact dates and exact calendar it will return. That is the difference between calendar and calendar auto. Okay, guys. So today is a very important class. So you have to practice, otherwise again you will be getting the doubts. Okay. So what we have learned today? We have learned the switch true, and age switch true example, right? Then we have gone to this calendar auto. Then we have learned so many commands, 21 commands we have learned today. Yeah, correct, 20 commands. Okay, and we have learned the what is calendar. So difference between calendar and calendar auto. Okay, guys. So practice the class today and do this exercise. I'll put the Excel sheet in the WhatsApp. Okay, and I will put this image in a WhatsApp. Okay, you have to do it. Take it as a challenge and exercise and do it and let me know tomorrow. Okay, guys. Okay, yes or no?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
you have to practice. Otherwise, you should have the hands-on. Otherwise, you won't learn, guys. If you have hands-on only, you will practice only. Then only you can learn. This DAX, especially this DAX, visuals and all. Okay, you can try, but DAX is little bit coding, right? It's simple coding, all built-in functions. Just you have to grab the function and use it. Just keywords. And you have the always helping hand is time that intelligence. Power BI intelligence will help you. What parameters you have to give, what output it will give. So it's very easy. Just you have to apply your mind. Okay. You have to sit and apply your mind. Then you will learn. Okay. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye bye.